Hey, it's Ben from Orchard. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your new iPhone. The process is super straightforward. All you need is your new or newish phone, ideally fully charged with some Wi-Fi around. You don't even need a SIM card for the initial setup, but you will need it eventually when you start using your phone. So here's a step-by-step guide whether you're setting it up with an existing iPhone or doing a manual setup. First thing you want to do, turn on your iPhone. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Choose your language and country/region. If you have an older iPhone and you want to transfer the data from it, the best way to do that is using the Quick Start. Bring your old phone near the new phone, and just like magic, a screen should pop up saying set up new iPhone. Follow the instructions and these screens should pop up on both phones. The new phone with this weird orb thing that acts like a QR code, and the old phone with a little camera pop up to scan that. It'll get things ready for you. A lot of this will happen automatically, and continue following the on-screen instructions on your new phone to set it up. And once you get this prompt on your old phone saying enjoy your new iPhone, you can now put your old phone away. Option 2 is setting it up manually. Tap Setup Manually and connect to Wi-Fi or cellular data if you have a SIM card installed. Insert the SIM card if you have one. Using an eSIM, check out our guide to learn more on how to set that up. Follow the prompts to set up Face ID for facial recognition or Touch ID for fingerprint unlock. If you have iCloud backup, you can restore your data here. Keep an eye out for our data transfer guide. Restore from Mac or PC via iTunes or Finder. You can transfer directly from an old iPhone or set up as a new iPhone, which is what we're going to do. Then you want to sign in with your Apple ID or create a new one here. Choose whether to enable location services, Siri and voice assistant, app analytics and privacy settings, whether you want automatic updates. There's some optional features like Apple Pay, iCloud keychain, and screen time, and some final personalization options, choosing a light, dark, or automatic theme. Keeping in mind that all these settings can be changed later in the settings app. Finish up the setup and it's going to take you to the home screen. This is where you can set up widgets and customize your home screen. Then I recommend checking you have the latest software by going to settings, general, and software update and making sure it's the latest one. This will make sure you don't have any security issues or software bugs. And there you go, now you have a freshly set up iPhone. I hope this helped, and if you're looking for a deal on some pre-owned phones, check out getorchard.com to learn more.